Hey there, phone of a family. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new Vivo X100, a smartphone packed with cutting-edge tech and jaw-dropping features. Whether you're a photography buff, a power user, or just someone who loves a sleek design, this phone has something for everyone. So, let's break it down, starting with the design. Design and build. The Vivo X100 comes in two stunning colors, Startrail Blue and Asteroid Black. Its glass back gives it a premium look and feel, while the slim dimensions, just 8.49mm thick, and lightweight build of 206 grams make it super comfortable to hold. Display. Moving on to the display, the Vivo X100 features a 6.78-inch AMOLED screen with a resolution of 2800 by 1260, Full HD+. With a refresh rate of 120 Hz, scrolling feels buttery smooth, whether you're gaming, browsing, or watching videos. Performance. Under the hood, the Vivo X100 is powered by the Dimensity 9300 chipset, built on a cutting-edge 4nm process. With an 8-core CPU running at speeds of up to 3.25 GHz, it handles gaming, multitasking, and heavy-duty apps like a pro. Camera system. Let's talk cameras, the real highlight of the Vivo X100. On the back, you get a triple camera setup with a 50MP main sensor, a 50MP portrait lens, and a 64MP periscope telephoto lens for amazing zoom shots. Battery and charging. The Vivo X100 is powered by a dual-cell 5000 mAh battery, designed to last all day. And when you need a quick top-up, the 120 watts flash charge gets you back to 100% in no time. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. So, is the Vivo X100 worth it? Absolutely. With its stunning design, flagship performance, and pro-level camera system, it's a serious contender in the premium smartphone market. Whether you're a gamer, a creator, or someone who loves photography, this phone ticks all the boxes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth reviews.